What's up? It's Jeffrey for Let's Locals, your travel advisor to let you get to know the real China, the real Chinese food and culture. Now, today I will take you to experience a dish, a thing that is absolutely tasty and everyone must eat it during special holidays, like for example, Chinese New Year. Dumplings. And if you say dumplings, you cannot but go to De Fa Chang, a 100-year-old restaurant famous for its variety in dumplings. Now, wow, look at these dumplings, so many types, and you can see all kinds of animals. We have little piggies right there. We have black and white swans. Look at the detail on those. It's absolutely amazing. We have some ducks over there, some kind of flower, I think it is, a lotus, and a Chinese cabbage, a penguin. So many types, all shapes and sizes, different fillings. So I'm looking forward to it, to eating all of them. And when you say dumplings, dumplings have always represented good luck, and that's why dumplings have always been eaten on major holidays, like for example Chinese New Year or other occasions. Now, I can't wait to dig in. 哦，好。
我们是一起来的特色长片啊。
哦，好的，我看有5种，然后其中有青蛙，有那个花儿，有鸭子，然后这边我看
是莲藕的造型。
对，然后有3个洞，是不？
我给你介绍一下这个好吗？
哦 ，OK 啊。
你看一下啊。这个造型呢，它像个莲藕的造型呢，叫出体莲蓬。它选用了我们陕西凤城特有的9孔莲菜呢和植物包装而成。其造型中的13个小孔呢，代表13个王朝在古代
哇塞！
展现出鲜烈悠久历史文化，同时呢，也是我们318当中所民族语言。
哇 ，So， 谢谢。Wow, this looks absolutely amazing, and she was just explaining to me, so this one with the 13 holes in them represents the 13 dynasties that have had Xi'an as a capital, so I can't wait. Let's dig in. Legend has it dumplings were invented by Zhang Zhongjie, a famous doctor that was trying to invent something that would help prevent poor people's ears falling off during winter. What he did was fill sheets of dough with medicine and meat. The patients would then eat the filled sheets whole and drink the soup to keep themselves warm. Nowadays, people still eat them on many special occasions like weddings, guests coming to your house, and birthdays. Making and eating dumplings is really seen as a family thing, a very social gathering, getting together in the kitchen to wrap the delicious fillings of vegetables and meat while laughing and joking, sharing stories, something everyone would always look forward to. Oh boy, that was absolutely amazing. So many types of dumplings. You had the little pigs, the fish. It was absolutely amazing. If you loved the video, drop a like and leave a comment below. And if you want to discover more about China and its delicacies, don't be afraid to subscribe to our channel right there. See you next time.